This is the Platinum Curidas fountain pen. The pen is made of a clear demonstrator resin body with silver trim. There's a silver ring in the center of the pen, a removable silver clip, and a stainless steel silver colored nib to match the rest of the trim on the pen. It has a black feed. It is a retractable pen. Little knob here on the end allows you to retract the nib into the barrel of the pen. This knob is quite long. It's because of the travel of the pen. So it is made to travel quite deep into the pen, but also extend quite far out, which allows you to actually see more. When you're writing, you can see the end of the nib a little easier than some of the others where they're quite short and don't stick out very far. On the body of the pen, it is engraved with platinum made in Japan and Curidas here on the barrel. To change the ink on the pen, you would unscrew the back section of the body, and that comes off. The little housing for the platinum converter or cartridge, it has a little half twist, and that pops out, which removes the whole nib section. And then there's another little half twist, which this housing will come off the nib of the pen. So you can then put a converter on the pen, which is not included, or a platinum cartridge. They slide on the end of that, and then you would slide this back on with a half click, and this goes right back in with the half click as well, and the body then slides back on. Then you can then you can also fill it with ink when you do that as well. One of the nice features of the Curidas pen is the clip. So a lot of people don't like the clip on the pen. So what you can do is they send a little tool with the pen, which just slides onto the body of the pen, and you push it on, and then you slide it towards the back, and that clip comes right off the pen. So if you don't want to use the pen with the clip, it does have a little extension here that sticks out where the clip attaches to keep it from rolling off the table. There's also a little knob on the other side of the pen as well. This is for the actual extension mechanism. You can see how it fits right into that little groove, and that allows the pen to extend out. The mechanism inside is actually made of plastic to keep it from rusting or deteriorating with the ink, but it also never touches the nib, and that's for that long travel with the nib. It allows it so that the mechanism never touches the end of the tip of the nib, which never wears out your nib as it's pushing it out. It's actually controlled by the rest of the mechanisms inside, which is a nice feature. It's also made so that it will hold ink for up to 6 to 8 months without going dry. So that's another nice feature of the pen. Great new pen from Platinum. Great retractable nib system. Get your Platinum Curidas fountain pen at penchalet.com.